As viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I request you to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, and also share my YouTube channel. Do not forget to like and comment. So let's start the video. Today's lecture is on physics subject. I am starting it from the second chapter. Second chapter, the vectors and equilibrium. That's today as our topic is today's our topic is vector product and cross product. When the product of two vectors resultant into a vector quantity, it is called a vector product. It is also called as cross product because we put a between two vectors to represent it. Let A and B be two vectors. Their vectors product is defined as A cross B equal AB sin theta n, where A and B are the magnitude of vectors A and B and theta is the angle between them. N is the unit vector perpendicular to the plane containing vector containing vectors A and B as shown in figure. Direction of A cross B. To find the direction of A cross B, we will use right hand rule. Before we read the rule of head to tail. Today's our rule is right hand rule. Right hand rule, join the tails of vector A and B to define their plane. Second rule, rotate A towards B through the smaller angle and curl your fingers in the direction of rotation, यानी anti clockwise. That's direction, ऊपर, up. To next, according to right hand rule, the direction of B cross A and will be opposite to direction A and B. Before we read B cross A, B dot A and A dot B is equal, but there B cross A and B A cross B is opposite. Examples: Q is the vector product of position vector R and force F. Torque equal R cross F. The force F on the charge Q moving the with valency V, velocity V in a magnetic field of strength B is given by F equal Q into V cross B. Characteristics of a cross product. Vector product is not commutative because A cross B is not equal B cross A. Proof: let A and B be two vectors. Their cross product can be given as can be two there was two repeated. Let A and B be two vectors. Their cross product can be given as A cross B equal AB sin theta n is equation number 1. B cross A BA sin theta minus n. B cross A equal minus AB sin theta n minus A zarab B cross B minus B cross A equal AB sin theta n. That's equation number 2. Comparing equation 1 and 2, we get A cross B with direction equal minus B cross A, but A cross B with direction is not equal B cross A direction.